In a survival situation, having the right gear can make all the difference. Here's a comprehensive guide to the essential items you need to ensure your safety and well-being in the wild. Start with a reliable backpack. Opt for one that's lightweight, durable, and waterproof. Look for multiple compartments to organize your gear efficiently. This is your mobile storage unit, so comfort and practicality are key. Choose a backpack with padded straps and a hip belt to distribute weight evenly, making long treks more manageable. Next, ensure you have a suitable shelter. A tent is the best option, with sizes varying depending on your group. Choose one that's easy to set up and offers adequate protection from the elements. If you're in an area with high winds or heavy rain, consider a tent with a robust frame and a rainfly. For added insulation, pack a sleeping bag rated for the temperatures you expect to encounter and a sleeping pad to prevent heat loss to the ground. Clean water is crucial. You can use several methods: boiling, iodine tablets, or portable water filters. Carrying a combination of these ensures you have safe drinking water wherever you are. Boiling is the most reliable method, but it requires time and fuel. Iodine tablets are lightweight and easy to use, but can leave an unpleasant taste. Portable filters are convenient and can remove bacteria and protozoa, but be sure to check their limits regarding viruses. For food, opt for lightweight, dehydrated, or freeze-dried meals. These are easy to carry and prepare. A portable stove or a simple cooking kit will help you cook your meals efficiently. Don't forget utensils and a small pot or pan. Include high-energy snacks like nuts, seeds, and energy bars for quick boosts of energy. Learn basic foraging and fishing techniques to supplement your food supply if you're in a resource-rich area. A well-stocked first aid kit is indispensable. Include bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and any prescription medications you may need. Knowing basic first aid procedures can also be life-saving. Consider adding a first aid manual, tweezers, scissors, and a digital thermometer. Knowing how to treat common injuries, such as cuts, burns, sprains, and fractures, is vital. Dress in layers to adapt to changing weather conditions. Start with moisture-wicking base layers, add insulating layers, and top with a waterproof and windproof outer layer. Sturdy hiking boots are essential for protecting your feet and providing support. Pack extra socks and underwear to stay dry and comfortable. In colder climates, a hat, gloves, and a scarf can prevent heat loss, while in hot climates, a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses offer sun protection. To stay warm, pack matches, lighters, or a fire starter. A flashlight or headlamp with extra batteries is vital for visibility at night. Solar-powered lights are also a good, sustainable option. Learn to build different types of fires, such as teepee and lean-to structures, for warmth and cooking. Carry tinder and kindling materials to help start a fire in damp conditions. Staying connected is crucial in emergencies. Carry a CB radio, UHF handhelds, or other signaling tools. A whistle and mirror can also help signal for rescue. Know how to use your communication devices effectively and understand the range and limitations of each. Learning basic signaling techniques, such as SOS and Morse code, can be invaluable. Include a map and compass in your gear and learn how to use them. GPS devices are useful but can fail due to battery depletion or signal loss. Knowing how to navigate using landmarks, the sun, and the stars is a valuable skill. Mark your starting point and significant landmarks to avoid getting lost. A multi-tool is a versatile piece of gear that can help with various tasks, from cutting rope to repairing equipment. Include a repair kit with duct tape, zip ties, and a sewing kit to fix gear on the go. These tools can be lifesavers when you need to improvise solutions in the field. By having these essential items, you're preparing yourself for the unexpected. Remember, the key to survival is being prepared and knowing how to use your gear effectively. Stay safe and stay prepared.